the advanced menu of the Yoast SEO plugin, there is the RSS Feed tab. And here, we are provided with settings that allow us to control and protect the content that is distributed through our RSS feed. For context, an RSS feed, which stands for Rich Site Summary, or Really Simple Syndication, is a widely adopted technology that allows our site visitors to receive updates when new content is published. This is all done through dedicated programs such as a feed reader or news aggregator. RSS feeds are great, but unfortunately, there is a downside. People can easily copy our work by way of content scrapers, thereby automatically reposting our articles from our feed on their own blog. We refer to this as automatic syndication, or automatic posting, and it is quite common. One way to fight against the RSS copy-paste blogger and their content scraping shenanigans is to grab a backlink from our copied article. This way, by having the copied article link back to our site, Google knows where the original source is actually coming from. The Yoast SEO plugin allows us to do just that, namely add links back to our site within the content before and after each post. So if someone does scrape our content, at least we'll receive credit as the original source. Let's talk for a moment about how this impacts SEO. If content scraping occurs, the scraper site is essentially pulling the content from our feed and republishing it in an attempt to use our valuable content to rank higher in search engines, thereby increasing their site traffic. If the scraper site has more authority than our blog, it will likely outrank us, even though this is our article. Therefore, having the functionality to add links back to our site can help Google float our content to the top of search engines, since they know that we are the originator, which is definitely what we want. By default, the Yoast plugin will create a link back to the original post on our site and include a link to our site's blog, which is referenced in the phrase, "This post appeared first on." This will automatically be added to each post on our RSS feed. We can get creative here and use HTML in these messages, or choose from a list of variables shown below, and choose as to whether we want the messages before or after each post in the feed, or both. There are a couple different variables that we can use, and each option includes a description of what it displays, listed to the right of each variable below. For example, the author link variable will display a link to the author's archived page and will include the author's name as the link's anchor text. A common best practice is to add a unique, abnormal, and possibly strange word here. This way, we can easily find the scrapers by Googling our specific post titles. For example, Yoast adds whoopity-doo to all the articles published on his feed. By adding these custom messages with backlinks to our site and our feed's content, we are protecting our work while at the same time telling search engines that we are the original source of the published articles.